Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you some Flint and Steel. This is my standard steel that I use. It's made out of a Nicholson file. It's very sparky. And for the Flint and Steel technique, I use charred. But you can use folding saws for your steel. This is the Corona razor tooth saw. The Silky Gone Boy will cast sparks just as well. So let me go ahead and get a mosquito fire going today, and I'll show you how to knock sparks off of your folding saw. Here's some dogwood. Some dry leaves out of the garage. We've had intermittent rain for the past 3 days, and the mosquitoes are really breeding and hatching. Remember when we made up that char cloth? Now we're going to see if it works. Tear it in half. Probably need to put your glasses on. Put it like a 1/16 of an inch behind that edge. Now, maybe that'll help keep the mosquitoes away. Alright, so you see the regular steel works just fine, just like it's supposed to. Get some more leaves in here. All right, let's cast sparks down on some charred punkwood. And I'm gonna take it apart, if it'll cooperate, because this inside will ignite way better than the outside. So let me break it up a little bit. I don't want to turn it to powder. And cast some sparks down into it. I'm trying to ignite one of these bigger pieces so I can hold it up to the camera. Did a good job, didn't it? All that smoke will keep those mosquitoes away.
I need another stove.
Because now we have to ignite some char cloth. And I could cast sparks down on top of it like I did with this charred punkwood. But let's go ahead and use it like my Nicholson file steel. Let's stick it up on here and make those sparks jump up on top. Let's try that. Sometimes when you can't get enough sparks off of your shirt that way, if you put the char cloth over on the other side, it'll make a lot better sparks. Let's just see. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. I want you to see that those leaves will catch that dogwood. So we'll cut away after this fire burns a little bit and cut straight over to when these finally caught and went to flames. We'll catch you on the next one. We'll put them to better use over here.